Hey, it's Bortone from Bortone.com and now Discover Descript.com, where you can learn how to edit like a pro faster and easier than you ever thought possible with Descript.com. So I did the math this morning and I realized, much to my horror, that I've been video editing for over 30 years. I started in the early 90s at E! Entertainment Television in Los Angeles. Yes, I am that old. And back in the day, we used to have edit bays with hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of equipment and Avid systems, and you'd sometimes need 2 or 3 people editing a video that was just going to be a 30-second promo for the network. And it was a ton of work, and it was really complicated. It looked like friggin' NASA in that edit bay. But obviously, in the last 30 years, things have changed pretty drastically. And even in the last few years, we can edit on our tablets or our phones or our computers or desktops or laptops with all kinds of different software, from iMovie to Camtasia. It's gotten a lot simpler, but in all my 30 plus years of video editing, I have never seen anything so radical or revolutionary as Descript.com in terms of changing the way we approach video and audio, and in terms of making video and audio editing faster and easier than you ever imagined possible. I'm really excited about this software. I'm really excited about teaching you how to access and use video more easily and more quickly, and take out all the frustration and time and aggravation of traditional video editing. Descript.com is turning video on its head, and I can't wait to show you all the cool things it can do. So I hope you'll join me for the Discover Descript course at discoverdescript.com. We start on Tuesday, August 1st, but you can join after that if you want, because everything is recorded and dripped out into bite-sized video tutorials and lessons. We'll also have live Q&A calls. There'll be tons of support. And you'll learn by doing, because we'll be working on all this together. We'll show you how to edit video podcasts, how to edit Zoom videos, how to edit regular videos, how to do transcripts, how to do social video promos, audiograms. You will be blown away by what this software can do and how easy it is once you get in there and figure out how to use it. So join me for Discover Descript at discoverdescript.com. Don't miss this opportunity to tackle video and video editing in a whole new, actually fun way. Hope to see you there.